In today's video, we'll review the document slicer from Instanet Forms. The idea of the document slicer is that you can remove selected pages or documents from a PDF. Let's open up our Wessel Drive transaction. I'm going to say, for example, that maybe I sent my buyer all of his purchase contracts, maybe his purchase agreement along with his buyer's agency information, maybe along with a seller's pledge or something from my company. But now I want to take those signed documents and I want to send them to the co-oping agent. So in order to do that, I want to trim that document or remove pages from those signed documents to now send over to that other agent. So I'm going to open up my PDF, and that's where I'm going to select the document slicer tool. So I'm going to say that this is a PDF that contains things like my buyer's agency and other documents along with my purchase agreement. So I'm now going to go up to the toolbar and select the document slicer tool. Here it's going to show me all of the pages or documents that are included in this PDF. I'm going to say for a moment, just for the sake of time, that I am going to maybe only select these 2 pages. So I am again holding down my control key. So I'm going to select this one, hold down my control key. If you're on a Mac, that will be your command key. And I'm going to go up to where it says save. Now I'm a fan of always doing a save as. That way I keep my originals intact and I'm now making a new PDF with just these 2 pages. You can also give your PDF a name. And I also like to include the date. So maybe I'm calling this a counteroffer and I might want to include today's date. And that way, if there's multiple counters in my transaction, I can quickly see when the last counter was. Now I'm going to open up that PDF. So I'm going to hit save. And you're going to see it takes that 6-page PDF now to just the 2 that I want to send onto that co-oping agent. Once you complete that process, you're going to find that that now appears in your documents because you've now made a new PDF and anything you bring into the program or you change or modify will always be in your documents section. So now if I go into my documents, here's my counteroffer that I'm ready to send on to that co-oping agent. So in this case, I'm going to select it, go up to my basket, and now I can choose. Do I want to fax it to the agent? Maybe email it to the agent? Maybe I just want to print those 2 pages out. I can do all of that from right here. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you need further help, please don't hesitate to contact the MiRealSource support team. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.